Okay, what you doing?
Taking the school out of the bus.
Whoa.
But you can't take the bus out of the school.
Well, I think actually we did that first. Right? So, we've been trying to take off these side, what do you call them?
Reflective tape.
Reflector tape.
Getting the tape off isn't difficult, but the glue that the tape left behind was really difficult.
And so we tried quite a few different solvents to get it off. Goof off didn't work. Crud cutter didn't really work. Acetone didn't work. But we found this stuff, Crud cutter adhesive remover. Pretty intuitive, but ooh. And it worked like a charm. So if you are in the same boat as we are, get some of this and save yourself a whole lot of trouble.
Yeah, Mr. Crud, I love you. Hello! Today we're doing the Skylights. You guys! I'm a praying mantis!
So we got these cut, and we need to pre-drill all of the holes that are going in here because you can't just tap through polycarbonate. We got a drill bit that's bigger than the threads of the bolts that we're going to use, and we're just going to go through, starting on the corners, place these in to keep it in place, and then drill the rest of them, or at least mark the rest of them, and then probably drill them at the table. A new day. Yesterday we ran into some rain and we weren't able to finish these, so we're back here, morning time, ready to go.
We're gonna caulk the frick out of this bus.
Cock it up.
By squiggling around the edges, and then we're gonna lift very carefully the piece of glass that we've nicely cut and drilled the holes into.
Squish it down on top, screw it in,
and hope for the best.
The moment of truth. Okay, so Skylights.
Yeah, it might be hard to tell that there's skylights in because we did it so freaking
Yeah, because
good.
you can't really see that.
But
thanks for watching.
thanks for watching.
Oh no, Amanda! Are you okay?